Hi everyone! So pag-uusapan natin ngayon is very interesting at ito po ay PMI or Purchasing Managers Index. No? So ano ba itong PMI na to? PMI, lumalabas po ito na survey na halos every month po at lahat ng mga bansa merong ganyan. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng Purchasing Managers Index? Meron po kasing isang designated job no, sa isang kumpanya na siya yung taga-purchase ng kanilang mga raw materials. Ang tawag sa kanya ay Purchasing Manager. So ibig sabihin, kung sabihin natin gumagawa ng sapatos yung isang kumpanya, kailangan po meron siyang mismong purchasing manager para yun po yung kumbaga namimili no ng mga raw materials para panggawa po ng sapatos. Ngayon, syempre, yung purchasing manager na yun, tinatansya niya. Kailangan ba marami yung bibiling ko or kailangan ba konti yung bibiling ko na raw materials para matansya ko yung demand sa market in the near future. So, dahil po doon, nagkakaroon po ng survey, no? Yun yung tawag na PMI or Purchasing Managers Index. Survey ng mga tao na nagtatrabaho no bilang purchasing managers. Tapos tinitingnan nila ano ba yung outlook mo sa market ngayon? Sa tingin mo ba lalakas ang demand ng produkto mo? Will you buy more, no? Or will you buy less in the future? So, yung data po na yan is very important, no? Kasi makikita nyo po kung ano yung future looking, no? Kumbaga anong pwedeng mangyari in the next few months, kung sinasabi naman po na mataas ang demand, no, for the next few months, then you can expect that this will affect both the forex market as well as the stock market. Stock market madali kasi syempre kapag mas malaki yung magiging demand para doon sa mga products ng mga companies na yun, you would expect na pwedeng tumaas yung value ng company na yun, no, in the near future. And same thing with the forex market. If you can see that there is good PMI data, you can see that there is good economic uh, activity, no, na pwedeng mangyari dun sa isang bansa, then that could also affect their currency, no, positively. So, pwede din pong umakyat. So, saan ba natin makikita to? Now, every country has their own PMI survey. So, titingnan muna natin yung sa US para madali. Ayan. So, unahin muna natin dito sa may trading economics. Makikita po natin that you can actually see kung ano yung mga PMI numbers no na nangyari na po dati, no. So these are public data, you can find them in your economic calendars, no. Mas madali lang makita kasi ngayon dito sa trading economics. So makikita nyo po na ito yung PMI manufacturing no ng US po. Tapos meron kang parang binibigyan ng figure diyan, no. Now, anything above 50 means expansionary yung market. Anything below 50 would be contractionary. So, ibig sabihin kapag above 50, kumbaga you would expect that there will be more demand, more movement, no? Pero kapag below 50 siya, contractionary, ibig sabihin pabawas. So, yun yung ginagamit nila na benchmark, no? If it's 50, then ano lang, kumbaga parang tamang pace lang, no? Medyo nasa equilibrium level lang. So, if you can see that your PMI numbers are rising, then that would be pretty good, no? So, ngayon, kung makikita natin sa US, no, at the time that I'm making this video, yung previous po was around 59.1, so still above 50. Kumbaga, ibig sabihin there's more economic growth in the future, and yung lumabas no is yung pinaka-recent no is 60.5. So kumbaga kita nyo increasing pa siya. So as long as it's above 50, then that's pretty good for the economy. Kahit naman bumaba ng konti yan, that's still positive for the economy because it's still above 50, no. Pero syempre tingnan natin kung masyadong sharp naman yung decline, that might not be good as well, no. So you're looking at the context of it. Now, you can actually see the report here sa, kanwari, kung US, may kanya-kanyang data providers yan eh. So, for example, this is the Institute for Supply Management. Sa website nyo po nila makikita, no, you just simply visit yung kanilang ISM report on business and you'll be actually able to see yung mga PMI dito, no. So, meron kasing dalawang klaseng PMI eh. Meron tayong manufacturing side, meron naman tayo ng services na side. So, manufacturing, ito yung, syempre, yung mga kumpanya na may pinoproduce, no, na physical goods, so may manufacture sila. Meron din po tayong services PMI. Ito naman po yung mga companies na based on services lang, no? Wala silang pinoproduce na actual stuff, no? So, you can check out the report. So, for example, tingin tayo dito sa manufacturing PMI. Ayan, so agree na lang tayo. Okay, so you can actually read the whole report over here, even what respondents are saying. Makikita nyo po dito para ma-feel nyo kung ano yung current sentiment nila sa market. And then it's actually divided into a couple of categories, no, yung mismong report, no. Meron ka dyan new orders, meron kang production, employment, supply deliveries, inventories, no. Marami pa yan. So, pwede mo actually i-dissect, no? Nakikita mo kung saan yung uh, saang part ng PMI yung yung growing, no, ano yung mga contracting. So for example, nakita natin employment is growing, production is growing, no, supply deliveries are slowing down, inventories are actually contracting down, so bumababa na yung inventories nila. And then you can also check the rate of change. Is it getting better, is it getting slower? So pwede nyo kumbaga hukayin ng ano yan, ng mas malalim. So with that, hopefully that can give you a better view of what can happen in the next few months, no, if you're analyzing the market. It would be a very good idea to take note of ano bang nangyayari sa sa PMI ngayon para ma-project natin ano yung mga pwede nating sabayan, no, na currencies. And looking at the stock market, you can even go into something deeper, no. Makikita mo nasa manufacturing side ba siya, nasa services side ba yung umaangat ngayon, and hopefully that can help you analyze the market a little bit better. Alright, so anyway, that's our PMI, and hopefully nakatulong po. See you on the next video. Bye-bye. If you like this video, make sure that you subscribe, like, and follow for more updates. See you guys, and happy pipping!